Hey friends, ever feel like life gets overwhelming? Stress, deadlines, worries, everything piling up at once. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale and let go of all that stress as you exhale. Today, we are going to turn that stress into something very beautiful with mindful patterns. No art skills needed, just grab a pen and a paper or a sketchbook and let's do this together. Mindful patterning is all about being present in the moment. It's like meditation, but with a pen. There's no need for a perfect drawing. Just let your hand move freely. Now let's start with something simple. A spiral, yeah? So start from the center and slowly move outward, yeah? No rush, no pressure. Just feel the movement of your hand and focus on the flow of the pen. And if any negative thoughts come up, just let them pass. Let's make it more fun. Add tiny dots or lines or just loops around the spiral. I'm going to draw lines around the spiral as if it's a sun or tiny suns, and it gives a sparkle around the spiral. Now these small repetitive patterns keep the mind engaged without any stress. See how soothing it feels. Repeating patterns create a rhythm that naturally relaxes the mind. Now, along with these lines in between each of the spirals, I'm going to just draw dots. So I'm filling my page with spirals. So next time you feel stressed, just grab a pen, start a little pattern and just go with the flow. Now as you draw, you'll notice that your breathing slows down. That's the magic of mindful patterning. Your hands, your mind, your breath, they all sync together and stress slowly melts away. Just peace, and the best part, you can do this anytime while waiting for a call, during a lunch break, or before bedtime to just relax. If you found this helpful or want to explore more about mindful doodling, don't forget to like and follow. Thank you.